Hey, what's going on, guys? Hope you're all doing well. I will be doing a webinar on how to turn this crisis into an opportunity. This is something that I've been talking to and sharing with the agents within my brokerage and also outside of my brokerage for the last 3 weeks. And I would like to share with you guys 5 strategies or 5 key activities that will help you to be more focused, get more prepared, especially when it comes to conducting business in the current world that we live in right now. These 5 strategies will cover topics like the steps that you got to take in protecting your mind and protecting your thoughts. How do we resist the urge of changing our routine on a daily basis? What to do in terms of lead generation and what lead generating sources out there that we want to be focusing on right now. How do we handle some of the most common questions that we're getting from our sellers, from our clients, from our buyers? And then also we all running our businesses right now virtually. How do we conduct our businesses the most effective way? The platforms, the tools that we use inside of our business, out of our brokerage to help us to stay connected, efficient, and streamline a lot of our work. So the objective, guys, is really kind of tailor your business plan or your 90-day planner for the next 3 months, essentially, right? That will cover your daily activities, your weekly commitments, your monthly goals, and then your 90-day targets. And I know we're living in a different world right now, and that's very unfortunate. But the business must go on. There are buyers and there are sellers out there that need our help. They need our guidance. They need our leadership. All right, guys? So please join me. It's a free webinar. It's on Wednesday at 10 a.m. For all the details, click on a button or on the link below or above. And looking forward to seeing you guys there. Take care. Bye.